This is a Singer 306K. This is a all-metal, yet lightweight aluminum sewing machine, vintage. It is taupe, or like a tan in color. It does use the flat cams on the front there as shown. The zigzag cam must be in place for the machine to perform zigzag stitch. It also comes with more of the cams, as well as an edge stitcher, a straight stitch foot, a hemmer foot, a couple bobbins, and some needles. Now this machine does use its own special bobbins, and it also uses different needles than the normal 15 by 1. You do get some needles to start you out. It uses 206 by 13 needles. They are a little different. Does have variable stitch length, variable stitch width, adjustable needle position, that's the top lever, and the bobbin winder there on the end. The cams are interchangeable just by unscrewing that silver nut there in the center. It is double needle capable, and it does come with a PDF copy of the instruction manual after purchase. As I said, it is an all-metal machine. Uses short or low shank feet and attachments. Zero there. The presser foot, the lifter, has lots of levers, so you need to make sure it goes all the way down before you start sewing. It's like it's to do a zigzag. You just turn the knob there. Now the knobs, the needle position lever and the stitch width lever are a little tight. This machine hasn't been used forever. It is lubed. It's just going to take some work to get them worked up. Very nice. Now it does the decorative patterns on the cams, like scallops and arrowheads. It also comes with blind stitch cam and multi-stitch zigzag cam. It comes with quite a few cool cams. It's a nice quiet machine. And there's the arrowhead that I made with it before. There's some stitches I just did now. And we're going to do some heavy duty stuff. I'm going to do 6 layers of denim. And this is a size 14 needle. And I'm not going full speed because I want you to be able to see what's going on. This machine is tabletop ready, or you can put it in a cabinet or a carrying case. Nice stitch on denim. Let's do some garment leather, 3 layers. Very nice. Stitch. And that is the Singer 306K sewing machine.